Okay, so we're walking down my street in Brooklyn here, and what we're doing is we're looking at these pieces of slate that served as a sidewalk. The street was built in, we got these holes every once in a while. Who knows what was there? Oh yeah, the house was built in the mid-1800s. I guess this is what they used for sidewalks at that time. It's a nice piece. I think I'm going to turn around. This is too. Actually, this slate is too good. Let me get into some of the more interesting pieces of slate. Now here's our house from the outside. Our slate seems to be pretty much intact, but here, as we go, here's a smaller piece. Looks like this was broken, and here's one where they filled in with some kind of a composite instead of replacing the slate. Here's another one of those thin strips. A whole bunch of them. Another one where that hole is patched with concrete. Here's a whole thing of concrete. More concrete, more concrete, more concrete. Slate. Here's a nice patch job. Now look at this. This is kind of interesting the way that slate kind of flakes. Another one of those holes. This sidewalk's breaking. This piece is breaking up pretty good. There's an interesting patch job. The patch job is cracked. Here's one piece of slate cracked into 3 pieces. More flaking. Hamilton, Brooklyn, New York, Hamilton Avenue. Oh, H.J. Haw. I wonder if that's a gas meter or something. Ooh, here's some more big pieces. Anyway, this is my walk to the subway. Thanks for watching.